I've been thinking about us. And I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you rarely come around no more.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is the old foundations that they had, so before the Ultra HD foundation. I'm going in with Morphe G6 flat brush. Then I'm using the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Concealer. I'm going to use the silver palette to contour my face. I'm using Heavy Crown contour here, which is really similar to Fawn by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be using Same Beauty Brush 1.4. Then I'm using Sueva 109 brush. And then I'm gonna use Smith 230 blending brush, and I'm still using the same contour color, and I'm just gonna do my crease, and I'm just dragging it up towards the beginning of the brow and to my starting point of the nose bridge. So this kind of gives a more halo effect just above the inner corner of the eye. And I'm going in with Smith Cosmetics 253 brush. I'm going to exaggerate the color here on the bottom last line. And then for highlighting, I'm going to first start off with my e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid highlighter, and this color is in Spotlight, so it's like a more silvery color here. I'm going to quickly apply this on areas where I wanted it to glow. That way you can see too where I am placing it. And I'm just going to use my finger and do dabbing motion to blend it. I'm going to place some up here too. I usually wouldn't put highlighter up here on the top of the arch of my brow just because I have a lot of texture there. When I take pictures, the camera catches all the little bumps, so it looks like I have really bad skin. Just gonna make sure that the highlighter didn't ruin any of the blending. I'm just gonna quickly go in with Makeup Forever HD powder just to set my T-zone area and little places where I would usually get creases from the foundation. And I'm using Sueva 106 brush. So just where I crease and T-zone area because that's where I get mostly oily. Now to the creative part. So I'm going to be using from Suva Beauty Hydraliner in Snow Queen, which is a matte light blue color here. and I am using the MAC Mixing Medium, which is also a matte water base, and I'm just gonna put on a few drops and let it sit. And I'm also going to be using Moonshine, also by Super Beauty. So as you can see, it's always like getting nice and creamy. Where to place? Okay, I got an idea going right now. I'll let it go through my hair. I'm just gonna let that dry before I head into the white color. And for the white color, I'm gonna be using OPV little pencil brush. And I'm just gonna put some on the brow hairs. So now I'm just applying the blue and the white on the bottom of my lashes. Okay, so for my second part of this look, I'm going to be applying Ebony Cosmetics Marine Liquid Lipsticks. This is a really, really, really pretty color too. Then I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and take that Dose of Colors definer brush. What I'm doing is just putting the darkest wherever the light blue is. I'm just going to go back in with the white, and I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Fine Liner Brush. And now I'm just doing dust. I hope this will give you some inspiration and I'm gonna wrap it up here. This is the finished look.
I've been thinking, I've been thinking, I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking, I've been thinking, I've been thinking about. I've been thinking that you act like around.